looking for an easy, healthy, and delicious snack recipe that you and your dogs can enjoy? Keep watching because we're going to be making Kale Chips! Hey guys, it's Minyoung from Bambi and Bambi's. I make dog treat and dog bakery business tip videos. In this video, I'm showing you guys how to make these delicious, crunchy, crispity kale chips. If you're like me, my favorite thing to do is snack and snuggle with my dogs while watching Netflix or reality TV. I'm pregnant right now, and my current fave are these cheddar and sour cream flavored ruffles. They are so good, I can't get enough of it. But I'm trying to limit my chip intake, so I do change it up by making these kale chips as a healthy alternative. Yes, you can buy kale chips at the store, but it is so much better when you make it at home. The best part is I can share kale chips with Bobby and Lucy, and they love it. Now let's get started. I am so excited to let you guys know, I'm going to tease this a little bit here. I've been working so hard on a brand new membership for you guys. It is called Bobby and Bambi's Food and Treat Kitchen Membership. Members will receive 4 recipes per month. So if you like my YouTube recipe videos, you're gonna love this membership. And I'm launching it March 15th. There'll be more details to follow in the upcoming weeks. All you need are a few ingredients. For the main ingredients, you'll just need kale. I'm using pre-chopped kale from Trader Joe's. And olive oil. You can also use coconut oil. The rest of the ingredients are optional, but for my dogs, I'm going to be sprinkling chia seeds and flax seeds. And for myself, I'm going to sprinkle just simple salt and pepper. And that's it! First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. While that's preheating, pre-wash and dry the kale. After you wash the kale, make sure the leaves are completely dry. Now, this is how I measure how much kale I need. Grab a handful of chopped kale and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet and spread it around. We want a single layer of kale so it can bake evenly. Once you have the perfect amount, pour the kale into a mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to add olive oil and just drizzle it on top. Using tongs, toss the kale and oil together until all the pieces are lightly coated. You can always add more olive oil if you need it. Just be careful to not fully drench the leaves because you do not want it to be soggy. The leaves should have a slight gloss like this. Now transfer the kale back to your baking sheet and spread the kale around. You can definitely separate your batch from your dog's batch by using 2 baking sheets, but I'm just going to separate it on one. To the left, which is my batch, I'm just going to be sprinkling salt and pepper. And on the right, I'm going to be sprinkling chia and flax seed for Bobby and Lucy's. And that's it! Now put the sheet pan into the oven and let the ovens do its thing. While the kale is in the oven, I will go in there about halfway and to turn the kale over so the edges don't burn. Voila! When the kale chips are done, let them cool. Here's some ASMR for you guys. Did you hear that crunchy goodness? Wasn't that so easy and doesn't this look so yummy? Now let's see how Bobby and Lucy like them. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you try it out for your dogs. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below, or you can connect with me on Instagram at Bobby and Bambi's Dog Bakery or at Dog Bakery Academy. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and liking this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!